Hello guys, this is Ruptek. Today I'm going to show the Mi Band 3 unboxing. So I have ordered it from banggood.com. I have got it from 2400 rupees. You can see here this is the Chinese variant, but you can convert it to the English language. If you want the video on it, you can tell in the comments. As you can see here, there is a band on the top. After that you can pull the tab and set aside the band, and you can see here there is a band inside, and on the other side there is a charging cable and the user manual guide in the center. The charging cable is same as before, but the band is different. So this is the band main unit. This has heart rate sensor. The new design is there in Mi Band 3. As you can see here, the glass is curved. This is the home screen. Now this screen supports the sliding full touch support. As you can see here, you can slide to change the menu. You can see steps. By sliding right, you can see distance, burned calories, battery, etc. After sliding again, you can check the heart rate. You can check the heart rate by pressing long on the button. As you can see here, the green light is indicating the heart rate sensor. You can order it from banggood.com without custom by you have to select the air parcel register, which is the shipping method I use to order it, and you have to select the tariff insurance. If any custom duties are implied on the product, you can get full refund on it, but I haven't received any custom duty charges, so you can order it from banggood.com. It is not sponsored. I have ordered it. This is a stopwatch. You can pause and stop, and by pressing on long on it, you can stop it. You can silence the phone from the band by pressing long on it. You can find the device by pressing long on the button. My device is not connected, so it is not working. You can change the screen. There are 3 screens which you can change. So to select this, click on the icon. So this was the unboxing video of the Mi Band 3. If you like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel.